Hey everyone, if you have a Celero 5G 2024 and you forgot the pattern or password and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. First thing we got to do is make sure the phone's off, which it is. Oh, just by the way, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. And lastly, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, you have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So just as a heads up. But let's get into this. Make sure the phone's off, which it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button. And what we want to do is hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding volume up first, then I'll hold the power button. And it brings us right into our bootloader selection. And we want to use volume up to scroll and volume down as to confirm your selection. So you want the arrow to point on recovery, and then you push volume down. It does take a second to register. Sometimes you get to hit it a couple times, but it goes for about a second or so. From here, it gets you to the no command screen, and then to get past this, what you want to do is hold power and tap the volume up. And from there, you can scroll down to use your volume buttons to scroll and scroll to wipe data factory reset. Power button's okay. And hit power button again, factory data reset. Will wipe, it's already done. In this case, I'm just going to power it off, but if you can just reboot it, it'll just load to the welcome screen, and you can set up the phone like it was when it was new. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Celero 5G 2024. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, comment, share, all that wonderful stuff, we definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.